Hi friends, in this video we will see about the important concept in the Vue.js, that is components. What is a component? Let's see example here. In the previous video we have seen the entire code, right? Now it's time for us. We will split this, we will remove this all the code and we will write in a separate file. Okay, write it in a separate file. What we will do, let's remove this all the thing and we will write the script. Okay, and I will take the main.js. Let's create main.js file. Okay, main.js, we'll write it afterwards. And now let's assume that you have a div here. Okay, and you will be showing some details, something like names. You are showing some names, a list of the names of the persons. So let's assume John and Joe. So whatever the names you are trying to show, you are showing here. Now here I have written just a sample of name only, but you can have so much of HTML data or anything showing all the profile picture and everything you can have. So in between this one, so you are showing each and everything. When you come here 6 months after or something ever, so you are unable to see this div, and you are unable to estimate that what it is actually doing here. So this is all, what is this one all actually doing. So now we can divide these all the things, repeated code and all the things, into a component. So how we can divide that one into a component? Let's see. Now I remove this code, right? So now what we will do is we will create a new Vue instance here. Okay, we will write the element. Okay, and we have the data and we'll show here names. Okay, so what are the names we are having? John, Joe and George, something like that. Okay, now what I will do it here is, now I will remove this one all. Okay, how it will how could be it if we represent something like name. Okay, something like we can have show name component like this. Okay, show name component like this, how we can have, or otherwise simply you can have name. Normally what I will be doing is, it's better for us to represent the components with two words, some in between that one with a hyphen. Okay, for the time being we'll do. Now we will be, how it will be if we represent this one like this, name. Okay, now let's write this component. Now here how you will be writing the component is, we can define with view.component. Okay, and we will be giving the component name, whatever the tag you are using here, I will be using it here. Okay, now you'll be having a object will have first property template. What is the template you are trying to show? Let's see, div, and I will show it as John. Okay, this is the component representation. Now what I can do here, I'll go here and I have represented here name. Now let's see the output. If I see the output here, see, John has came. Okay, what it is doing, so the component, component, whatever the template you are having here. So for example, you have written something like John Grisham or something. Okay, if I go here and if I refresh, see, now whatever the template for this component is having, it is automatically rendering here. Now if I have multiple here, so what we will be having, John Grisham, you will be able to see. Now what I need to have is, so all the time it is showing it is a John Grisham like this. So how can we have something like, in between this one I will write John, in between this one I will write it as Joe. Okay, and in between this one I will write it as George. Okay, I will remove this one. Now how can, in between whatever the data is wrapped in between these components, how it will be if we display this one instead of displaying that template? How we can, let's see the output here, how it will be displayed. Okay, now if I refresh again, it is showing John Grisham only, but it is excluding that HTML or content what is having in between this component. In order to consider this template, in order to consider this HTML in between the component, what we can do is, instead of writing here, we can take it as a slot. Okay, just remember this one, slot is nothing but whatever the content we mention in between this component, we will take it will be pasted in this in between the slot. Okay, now what I will do, I will go and I will refresh it here. See, John, Joe and George has came. It's nice, but what we have did here, we have hard coded everything. It will be nice if we loop over the names and we can show it dynamically. So what we will do, simply we will remove this all the code, or so we will remove these two names and we will loop over this component with vfer. Okay, same what we have did in the previous videos, name in names, and automatically we will do the name here. Now if I loop over this one, sorry, okay, name in names, if I loop over this one, what has happened, John, Joy, same thing we got the output. So this is the basic representation how we can write a component in the Vue.js. So in the coming videos we will see more deep in about the components. Right now, so how we can represent the components basically is this one. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.